In our zoology session, we will discuss neural control and coordination, subtopic peripheral nervous system, in that autonomous nervous system, in that sympathetic and parasympathetic. So today the topic is difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic. So there are two types of differences. First, based on structure, and second, function. First we will discuss based on structure. So here sympathetic nervous system, nerves are arising from spinal cord, thoracic and the lumbar region. That's why these nerves called as thoracic, lumbar outflow. Here parasympathetic, cranial and sacral. We discussed in a previous video cranial nerves and sacral 2, 3, 4 nerves emerging, arise and under control of parasympathetic nervous system. That's why we call it as cranial outflow, cranial sacral outflow. And second one is, here there is a CNS system of spinal nervous system, and already we know this is the preganglion and this is the ganglion. Here this ganglia interconnected and become as a chain. That's why here preganglionic gland nerve is a shorter. Here this is the central nervous system of a spinal cord. Ganglia, the preganglia arises like this, and there is a long preganglia, and these are the ganglias. This is the postganglia, and this preganglia is longer, and here postganglia longer, here postganglia shorter. And third one, if we observe, ganglia are chain-like structure, that is sympathetic chain, sympathetic trunk present due to the chain of ganglia. Here ganglia are isolated due to shorter preganglion and a longer postganglion. The effect of impulse more. Here it is less. Here neurotransmitter releases epinephrine, that is release of adrenaline. That's why adrenergic nerves we call as adrenergic nerves. And here neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine, that's why we call as a cholinergic nerve fibers. This sympathetic nervous system active during stressful or fear condition. Like suppose you are going to write an exam, either any deadlines of a project work, any stressful condition. This is activate during this stressful condition. And here parasympathetic nervous system active, relax and normal condition. Here overall if you observe effective of this sympathetic nervous system is excitation of stimulus. Means spontaneously how we are reacting and how it is going to come down in the parasympathetic nervous system. Here inhibitory and suppressible parasympathetic nervous system contained. So later on we will complete this structure of the function also. So there is a based on function. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system differ from one to other. First we will discuss function, how it is different and affect our organs. Suppose if we take heart, sympathetic nervous system generally increase the heartbeat. So we indicate like this, increasing heartbeat. We know 72 times it's a normal, but more than 72 times it increase. And here inhibit, suppress, come to the normal condition, and 72 times approximately. And second one, blood pressure, that is BP. Here arterial blood pressure increases number of times. Here BP decreases, means comes to the normal. Third one, RBC count increase in this situation, decrease in this situation. Blood clotting time, decrease in this situation, increase in this situation. Next, liver. Here glycogen convert into glucose, that is glycogenesis. Here glucose convert into glycogen, that is glycogenesis. Here salivary secretion, saliva decreases, saliva decreases. So when we feel in a stressful condition, dryness of a mouth, here increase. Increase means the levels are normal. And seventh one, gastric juice. Decrease. Due to that we may not feel hungry, and here it's a normal, either increase. Pancreatic juice. Here pancreatic juice also decrease. Here it is increase. And gallbladder relax. Here it is constrict. Constrict. And next is blood supply to the skin. To skin. Decrease. In stressful condition, what happens generally? Muscle fatigue takes place. Due to that, more oxygen supplies to the muscle. So, less blood supply to blood skin. Here, normal or increase. Next, pupil in our eye takes place dilation. Means, suppose this is a pupil, it takes a wider. That means dilation. So, here it is constrict. This is happen when it is a dark situations. This is light situations, more light. And here, next one is lung. More breathings increases. Here it is the normal. And next is urinary bladder. Here it is relax. And in this condition, constrict. Due to acetylcholine is releasing in the parasympathetic, here it is adrenaline releasing. So these are adrenergic nerves and nerve fibers, and here cholinergic nerve fibers. So this is the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic based on the function.